We come into contact with bacteria and viruses all the time. Many of the herbs we use in our kitchen for culinary purposes and to make foods taste delicious can also be used for helping the body fight off viruses and bacteria. Hi, my name is Beth Hovis, and I'm a board-certified naturopathic doctor and master herbalist and one of the core instructors for our Master Herbalist program. And I'd like to share a few of my favorite herbs when it comes to supporting the immune system and fighting off those viruses and bacteria. Our first herb is oregano, which has many wonderful active compounds, including carvacrol, that has antiviral, antibacterial, and antimicrobial benefits. Oregano is known to help the body both fight and prevent infection and disease. The fresh leaves of oregano can be chewed in times of stomach upset due to infection. Now, the essential oil of oregano can be diffused to alleviate upper respiratory infections and is known to help soothe sore throats. Another herb that's awesome is garlic, and it has a wide variety of uses and benefits. The active compound in garlic is allicin. Allicin is known for its antibacterial effects, but also has great benefit in fighting viruses. Garlic is often used during cold and flu season and has even been used successfully in supporting those who have been affected by the coronavirus. Other herbs that have antiviral and antibacterial properties include sage, fennel, basil, echinacea, and golden seal.